Don't know what to go on at Nagashima Spa Land? This is the top 10 roller coasters.
Welcome to Nagashima Spa Land, Japan's roller coaster paradise, home to some of the tallest, fastest and most insane rides on Earth. Today we're counting down the top 10 roller coasters. Stay till the end for a special mention that even the youngest thrill seekers can enjoy. Number 10, Peter Rabbit Coaster. It may be small, but it's great for families and a gentle warm up before tackling the park's giants. Number 9, Jet Coaster. A true classic, Jet Coaster is a nostalgic steel ride that delivers sweeping views of the park and a fun, breezy ride experience. A reminder of Japan's love for timeless coaster designs. Number 8, Wild Mouse. Sharp turns, sudden drops, and that am I gonna fly off feeling. The Wild Mouse keeps everybody laughing and screaming. It's chaotic, fun packed into a small, twisted track. Number 7, Arashi. Things get wild here. Arashi is one of the most intense free spin coasters in the world. Number 6, Corkscrew. Vintage coaster fans will love this one. Corkscrew with its double inversion layout is a throwback to the golden age of looping coasters. Simple, rough, and tons of fun. In at 5, it's Shuttle Loop. Hold on tight, this thing launches quick, short, sweet, and packed with old school thrills. Number 4, Looping Star. Looping Star offers a smooth, fast ride with that perfect circular loop that coaster enthusiasts adore. It's a must ride for anyone chasing nostalgia. Another Schwarzkopf classic. Onto the podium now with number 3, Acrobat. Japan's first B&M flying coaster, Acrobat lets you soar face down like a superhero. Graceful, smooth and thrilling. It's one of the most unique experiences in the park. Second place and number 2 is Steel Dragon 2000. The world famous Steel Dragon 2000, once the world's tallest and fastest coaster with over 8,000 feet of track. It's still the second longest roller coaster on Earth. Massive drops, insane speed and endless airtime make it an absolute legend. Do you know what the number 1 roller coaster is at this park? Click that like button to secure your answer. And to build up a little bit more suspense, here's an honourable mention, the Kiddie Coaster. A great roller coaster for families and a kid's first coaster. Number 1, Hakugei. This RMC masterpiece combines wooden structure with steel track for an ultra smooth yet intense ride. Massive drops, inversions and wild airtime moments make it one of the best coasters, not just in Japan, but in the world.
That was the top 10 roller coasters at Nagashima Spa Land. No, this is not a roller coaster and therefore not part of the list. If you like videos like this or would like to see more of the park, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.
Sayonara and arigato. Bye!